A very good morning, everyone. I'm Matika Dogra from Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Hospital and Research Center, New Delhi. The topic of my study is expression of androgen receptor in triple negative breast cancer, and the study was conducted in our center. Background of the study: triple negative breast cancer is characterized by the absence of estrogen receptors, progesterone receptor, and lacking the overexpression of HER2 new genes. It generally accounts for 15 to 25% of all breast cancer cases worldwide. However, several reports from India show that the incidence of triple negative breast cancer is higher in India compared to Western population. TNBC shows aggressive clinical behavior and is more likely to spread throughout the body, and which leads to poor patient survival, as available hormone therapies and targeted therapies don't work on in this subtype of breast cancer. So the only therapeutic option left is systemic chemotherapy, which has several side effects. Hence, there is an unmet need to identify the new targets for therapy in TNBC. The recent literature shows that androgen receptor has emerged as a new prognostic and therapeutic marker in TNBC. However, the reports are still controversial, so the idea to design this kind of study was conceived. Aim and objectives. The aim of this study was to determine the behavioral differences between AR positive TNBC and AR negative TNBC, which is also called quadruple negative breast cancer or QNBC. And to achieve this aim, the objectives were to assess the immunohistochemical expression of AR in TNBC and to compare the clinico-pathological parameters, disease-free survival, and overall survival between AR-positive TNBC and QNBC. Material and methods of the study. The TNBC cases registered during the years 2012 to 2014 were identified by screening all the cases registered to all the cases of breast cancer registered to our hospital. And according to the inclusion criteria of our study, we retrospectively processed 188 TNBC cases for tissue microarray preparation, and their immunohistochemical AR expression was analyzed. The tumor section were found to be positive for AR only when greater than 1% of tumor cell nuclei were found to be stain positive. This figure is showing the positive immunohistochemical staining for AR under 100x. The detailed data regarding patient demography, clinical history, tumor characteristics, cancer-directed treatment, and survival data were collated. And the data were analyzed using IBM SPSS software version 23. And the clinical and pathological features were of both subgroups were compared using chi-square test. For the survival, the differences were stratified by log rank test, and the survival curves were drawn by Kaplan-Meier method. Results of the study were: the frequency of TNBC was 22% of all the breast cancer. The expression of AR was found to be positive in 20% of all TNBC cases. Majority of cases were diagnosed at stage 2 and with high-grade tumor. I'll show the results in more detailed way in the tabular form. This is the first baseline table showing the characteristics of triple negative breast cancer. The mean and median ages were 50 and 48 years respectively. Majority of our cases had attained menopause, which constitutes 52% of all cases, and premenopausal females had constituted 41% of the total study population. As I mentioned earlier, the expression of AR was found to be positive in 20% cases, and 80% cases were quadruple negative breast cancer. By and large, stage 2 was the most common stage at presentation, followed by stage 3, and followed by stage 1, and further followed by stage 4. The primary histology, under primary histology, IDC constituted the major part, and the majority of tumors, that is 87%, were found to be high grade. 40% cases were found to be lymph node positive, and the presence of lymphovascular invasion was found in 39% of cases. 12% cases had had experienced recurrence, and 17% of the cases were found to be expired by latest follow-up. This is the second table showing the comparison of both subgroups in terms of clinico-pathological variables and treatment outcome. So we had compared around 7 parameters, including stage of the disease, tumor grade, histology, extracapsular extension, and lymphovascular invasion, recurrence, and vital status. So of these 7 parameters, 4 parameters, which includes stage, grade, histopathological type, and extracapsular extension, they showed statistically significant difference between AR positive TNBC and QNBC. Next table is about the comparison of survival between two groups. 5-year disease-free survival rate in AR positive TNBC was 83%. However, it was slightly higher in QNBC and was 88%. It didn't show any statistical difference between the disease-free survival of both subgroups. Similarly, the 5-year overall survival rate was also found to be non-significant in terms of differences between the two subgroups. The conclusion of study is the two subgroups, AR positive TNBC and QNBC, statistically differ with each other in terms of clinico-pathological variables such as disease stage, tumor histology, tumor grade, and extracapsular extension. However, the disease-free survival between two subgroups as well as overall survival between two subgroups didn't show any statistical difference. Thank you very much.